Okay, let's start cooking. So today, hello, my name is Raymond. Today I'm going to show you how to cook sweetheart chicken. Now I'm going to show you the ingredient. First, I'm going to show you the chicken, 3 pounds of chicken, whole breast and 1 leg. You can use white meat or dark meat. This food going to use a lot of garlic. I'm going to use all 5 heads of garlic, 3 ounces of ginger, 2 pieces of chili, some lemongrass, sea salt, chicken salt, black pepper, brown sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, olive oil. Okay, I'm going to show you prepare the chicken. Okay. Okay, I finished cutting the chicken. Okay, I'm going to slice the garlic. So garlic a lot, so take a lot of time. So I will see you later. Okay, I'm done the garlic, ginger and chili. Okay, I'm going to put garlic off the side. So I'm going to put lemongrass in the chicken. Saute the chicken. Don't put any water on the chicken. The reason I do this because I want to remove the water from the chicken and let the lemongrass flavor lemongrass to the chicken. Okay, so chicken full cooked. So I'm going to remove chicken from the water. I'm going to put chicken off the side and I'm going to make the sauce for chicken. First, I'm going to turn on the stove medium heat. And I use olive oil and 2 spoons of olive oil. And I'm going to put the garlic in and ginger and chilies. So we're going to wait for a while until garlic and ginger and chili more crispy. Okay, I've been sauteing the garlic for 8 minutes. So I like to make my garlic a little more crispy. And then you have to scrub down like this. So now I'm going to add salt first. Half spoon, half tablespoon of sea salt, and half tablespoon on chicken sauce for flavor. And you mix together. So when you mix them very well, you're going to add the sugar brown. Try to make the sugar brown mix together very well, very fine, and you see how they go together, like more like crispy. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. And mix very fine. Continue stir about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add more the oyster sauce. Around 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay. And stir them very fine, very good. Okay, so I'm going to put chicken in there. Mix them very good, Okay, I'm going to add a black pepper, but you see how the sticky, the garlic, ginger, chili with the honey, sugar, like sticky. That's what you want because the sauce is really good. Like how see that sticky, that's what you want. Okay, go and add a little bit pepper. I don't know. And mix together. Sorry. You know how the sticky it is? Grease. Very sticky. That's the pulse. Really good. Okay, chicken or chicken sweetheart already done, so I'm going to eat. So Wow, really good. And the garlic and ginger chili with honey and sugar is more like crispy and the best I never had. Again, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe to my channel.